Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group Daily Review video number 123, I believe. And okay, so pretty historic day today, guys. Today I should be getting my $1,000 team turnover. But first, we got our earnings last. Actually, this is from a couple nights ago. The system hasn't updated. We got earnings last night, but this is from 2 nights ago. 0.45%. Made a nice $85.03 on my money I've invested, guys. So that put me to $724.55. So yeah, guys, take a look here. This is what I've earned so far. My two investments have been running now for 15 days. So I'm like 2 weeks away before I combine these two investments. And then I'll take the monthly earnings, reinvest it back in the system. When I combine these two investments, guys, the earnings, the monthly profits go up here. That means I have access to them. And at that point, I can do a withdrawal, I can do a reinvestment, I can pretty much do whatever I want. So I'm going to take maybe a third of it, put it back in the system, which should be probably around. So I mean, you look at this, I made 700 in 15 days, so that's about 1500, let's say. So I'll take maybe 500, reinvest. The other 1,000 I'll probably just take out and enjoy. And yeah, guys, I'll just keep growing my account. So basically, in 2 weeks, this number right here, total deposit, it should go up about 1,000. Because I'm going to take the $1,000 bonus I'm going to get from my team turnover. I'm going to take 500 of it, 5 or 600, put it back in here, and then when I get my monthly expires from my two investments, take another 500 or 600 and put it back in here, guys. So pretty exciting. As you can see here in the careers page, you will see that I have, there it is, left for team turnover, $490, guys. Almost there, $490. So all I need is somebody to come in and invest $490. But somebody on my team, they messaged me, they're going to be putting in about 2,000, and they're actually part of my downline. They're not directly under me, they're like 2 levels below me, so I'll get 50% of whatever they put in. So all I really need for them to put in is like 1,000. So I'll get 500, so I'll hit it. But he's putting in 2,000, so I'll be getting the $1,000 bonus, which states right here. After the investment happens, I think you get the bonus like late in the evening or something. So I might just do another video tomorrow. So basically, guys, yeah, the next video I'll show my huge bonus, which will go at the very top right here, and I'll also, in the video, I'll make another investment as well, so you guys can see me do it in real time. That'll be exciting. So I just want to make this quick video, guys, to show you how I'm doing. As you see, once I do that reinvestment tomorrow, or in the next video, I should say, I will move up to this level right here, 80% share. Right now, I'm at the 75% share. The company gets 25%. So yeah, I'll move up to 80%. And the company will get 20%. So I'll be making extra about, let's say, and depending on the trade day, but on average between an extra $4 to $8 per day, because I'm moving up to this next tier. So that's very exciting for me, guys, because that means, I'll be able to stack and build my account a lot quicker, have more funds to take out. So that's the whole idea, guys. When you get to this level, you can just take a portion of the earnings you get, reinvest it. The other portion you can take out. You can pretty much do whatever you want, or you can take the full amount and reinvest it. Some people are doing that. Some people are also taking their investment and buying the subscription package, which allows you to get more bonus from your members. So as you see, I bought the standard package here. I can upgrade to any of these as time goes on. So yeah, guys, it's going to be real exciting. So I'm getting close to the end of my 5-minute daily review video, rather. If you're interested in making this passive income, guys, like, think about that. I've made, in 15 days, as you see, 15 days here, I've made $724 USD just for having money invested in the system. And it just rides. That's all it does. So if you're interested in earning these type of passive income, join my team, guys. Click on the sign up link down below, fill out the form, and shoot me an email as well. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have, walk you through the whole process. I've been with the company for like 2.5 years, so pretty much know everything. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel and you can see all my daily reviews and updates. Alright guys, so that ends my 5-minute daily review video. I'll see you guys in the next video. It should be an exciting one. Take care.